Let's wait. Let me pause this for a moment. Before you know you begin to believe that something's wrong with you, before you condemn yourself, before you declare that you have a low self-esteem or that you are not good enough, because I've noticed a lot of people have the addiction to condemn themselves and to see themselves negatively. Okay, if you can improve, you should improve. Okay, but don't just make too fast conclusions about yourself nor about others. The environment is number one actor in human behavior. If the environment is abusive and neglectful, people will display negative behavior, mostly as a defense mechanism to defend themselves against harm, and that those defense mechanisms themselves can cause harm. So just because someone is displaying negative behavior, that doesn't mean that the individual is a negative individual. Some people maintain a social mask just to avoid being hurt. Some people even maintain a narcissistic mask or a sociopathic mask. That doesn't mean that they are a narcissist nor that they are a sociopath. No. Remember that the environment is a key factor that determines how people behave. Yes, there is personal human responsibility, but above that you have collective responsibility. And if you're in an environment where people reject collective responsibility, then things will go wrong. Okay? So just remember that. You have people going through negativity. They will also display negative behavior, but they are not negative human beings. And you have people who choose to be negative, who choose to give in to evil. Those are two categories. And people who choose to be negative, it doesn't depend upon their past. That's a myth. You have a lot of people from good families, from well-functioning families, from wealthy countries, from wealthy with a wealthy and safe background that choose to give in to evil. It's purely based upon your choice to become supremely selfish at all costs. So not everyone who displays negative behavior is a negative individual. They just keep that distinction clear. Okay? Well, I'm going to finish watching a movie right now. Check it out. Well, see you guys later on.